friends, welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to explain Econsulju.com reviews. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never tried this website, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question, that is, should I visit this website or not. In case if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned and let's get started. Guys, this is an online lottery or betting website that allows users to enroll themselves, log in your detail and can play the lottery. This website is based in Indonesia and the online platform invites users to play, bet and win by availing special discounts and tempting offers. But remember guys, this lottery contains risk as well, so it is really very important to check the legitimacy of this website. Guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or a legit website. Guys, coming to the domain creation date, this domain name was created on 18th of April 2020. That is, this website is 3 months and 1 week old. And guys, according to in-depth research, this website is estimated worth of $240 and have a daily income of around $1. Now talking about the website's offering, as per the information, the site is offering 24 hours support, accessible transaction facility by local banks, great discounts, high winning probability in the lottery, assistance via social media platforms like Facebook and WhatsApp. So guys, if you are getting pissed off with the offline lottery games, then you can explore this online lottery but with due precautions. Guys, the registration on this website is quite very easy and you can do the transaction with the assistance of customers executives of this website or of local banks, and you can get customer support via live chat, memo, BBM and more. The site gives referral bonus points with fair calculations, or of course you can get high winning opportunities with massive offers. And guys, for registration process, you can check out the privacy policy of this website. And yes, coming to the customer reviews, we found reviews are positive and negative too. Some users are excited about dealing with Econsulju and enjoying their winnings. Still, some customers have issues in the registration process, or might be they did not earn well. So guys, in the final conclusion, I would like to say it has some risk as well, but yes, today everyone is playing the lottery in casinos or via other modes. So you can give a try, but still we recommend you to go through Econsulju.com reviews and then get yourself registered. Do share your experience and comment as well guys. You can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. So do comment because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting, keep motivating. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe. Thanks for watching the video guys. Have a good day.